Welcome to the Basic Operation Guide for your vehicle. Republic Motors' dedication to innovation and quality has positioned it as a trusted name in the electric vehicle industry. The e-Tourist vehicle exemplifies this commitment, offering a sustainable and efficient mode of transportation for both urban and rural settings. Close-up of the brake pedal and parking brake mechanism. To release the parking brake, firmly press the brake pedal from the lower side. You'll feel the resistance reduce as the brake disengages. Dashboard and ignition switch. Next, switch on the vehicle by rotating the key clockwise. Once the key is turned, the vehicle system powers up. Gear selector, FR button. Now, choose your direction using the FR button. Press F for forward driving of the vehicle. Select R for reverse operation, depending on your movement needs. When vehicle comes to a stop. When you're done using the vehicle, bring it to a full stop by easing off the accelerator and gently pressing the brake pedal. Parking brake re-engagement. To re-engage the parking brake, press down on the top side of the brake pedal until it locks firmly in place. This ensures your vehicle stays securely parked. Demonstration of how to use the indicators. Push the lever upward to activate the left turn indicators. Push the combination switch lever downward to activate the right indicator S. Demonstration of how to use the headlights. To turn on the headlights, simply push the lever forward. The lights will stay on as long as the lever remains in this position. Demonstration of how to use horn of your vehicle. For the horn, press the top of the lever. This activates the horn for signaling. That's it. You've now learned the basic operation and auxiliary controls of your vehicle. Drive safe, stay alert, and enjoy the ride. Now you will see the guide about how to charge your vehicle. To charge the vehicle, locate the charging socket on the left side, then plug the charger into a standard electrical outlet with a minimum 16-amp power socket to ensure safe and efficient charging. Once connected properly, the charger will automatically begin charging. Always ensure connections are secure and dry.